Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in this quick video, I wanted to share with you all how you can grab this week's free printable. So if you're interested in learning how to grab this free printable and all of my other printables, make sure you watch the video to the end. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is head on over to our website, hangingwiththekiddos.com or hwtkdesigns.com. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. Scroll down to our free printable section and select this week's free printable, which is the free CoComelon Party Printable Download Chip Bag Template, and select Read More. You can also check out all of the other free printables that I have available. In the blog post, you can check out what's included, and you can also find the materials you will need for printing and assembling. You will receive your printable as a PDF file, and from here you can print and assemble. If you don't know how to assemble your chip bag template, you can check out this quick video. You can watch the full video tutorial using the link up above, and I'll also link it in the description box down below. I also wanted to mention you all should definitely join our email list if you haven't subscribed already. Subscribing to our email list will gain you access to our free resource library, where you can find additional free printables that are only available to our email subscribers. You can find the link in the description box down below to subscribe. You can also do it from our website. Select freebies and scroll down and click on Get access to our free resource library. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video to the end. If you all would like for me to continue to make more freebies, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and drop me a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos and freebies. Bye!